Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is business card design. Every professional needs a memorable business card to make a great first impression. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per design, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating clean, modern designs that align with your client's branding. You can find work on platforms like 99 Designs or by reaching out to local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. Next is lead generation. Businesses are always looking for new customers, and if you can help them find leads, you're in demand. As a lead generator, you'll research and provide contact information for potential clients. Start by learning tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Hunter.io. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for lead generation services. To stand out, focus on delivering high-quality leads and building relationships with clients. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative niche. Third is digital products. If you're creative or knowledgeable in a specific area, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses. Start by identifying a niche you're passionate about and creating valuable content. Many creators earn $100 to $5,000 per month, depending on the demand for their products. To stand out, focus on creating high quality and engaging content. Use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable to sell your products. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a scalable income stream. Fourth is event planning. From weddings to corporate events, people are always looking for help organizing their special occasions. If you're organized and love planning, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of event planning, including how to create timelines and manage budgets. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per event, depending on the scale and complexity. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Thumbtack or reach out to local businesses that host events. With a bit of networking and marketing, you can build a reputation and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy organizing and want to help others create unforgettable experiences. Finally, let's talk about transcription. If you have good listening skills and a knack for typing, this skill is perfect for you. As a transcriptionist, you'll convert audio files into written text for clients like podcasters, researchers, and businesses. Start by practicing your typing speed and accuracy. Many clients pay $15 to $30 per hour for transcription services. To stand out, focus on delivering accurate and timely work. You can find jobs on platforms like Rev or TranscribeMe. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose business card design, lead generation, digital products, event planning, or transcription, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.